Welcome back to Overheat, Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic and aggressive external design, futuristic design. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome will feature a very aerodynamic and futuristic design. Significantly different from the boxy shape of traditional RVs, lightweight materials and carbon fiber accents, the body will be heavily adorned with carbon fiber and other lightweight materials. Y-shaped LED headlights are a hallmark of Lamborghini lighting. The scissor-style front passenger door is one example of a unique door. Amazing powertrain and performance. Strong engine. This motorhome's strong engine will be its core component. Either a V10 from the Huracan or V12 from the Aventador or its successor that has been optimized for motorhome use, or perhaps a recently created high-performance hybrid system. All-wheel drive AWD providing excellent traction and stability in a range of road conditions. AWD will be standard. Advanced adaptive suspension, also known as an advanced hydraulic system or magnetorheological adaptive suspension system. High-performance braking, outstanding stopping power is guaranteed by large brake calipers with carbon shroud. Discs, responsive transmission, power will be transferred smoothly by a dual-clutch automatic transmission that is swift and responsive, luxurious, and high-tech interior, and overabundance of premium materials. The finest materials, such as hand-stitched Nappa leather, Alcantara, and matte or glossy carbon fiber, will be used throughout the whole interior. Modern entertainment system, high-end sound system from well-known audio manufacturers. Large retractable old screen. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will have upscale appliances from well-known manufacturers, natural stone or opulent composite worktops, and elegant accent lighting. The master bedroom features a cozy king-size bed, high-level security system, sophisticated alarm system, 360-degree security cameras, and perhaps biometric access controls.